Hi, my name is Chastity Huff, and today I will be speaking about animal hunting. The reason why we should stop animal hunting, the point is alternate food sources. In today's modern society, there are many alternate food sources that eliminate the need for bison or fish or deer. A major problem hunting today is that people tend to treat it like more of a sport. 3. Exotic animals have body parts that are valuable in the underground market, selling defense weapons that every animal needs. How we can stop it. Avoid buying products with animal parts. Again, as the custodians of the planet, we can offer a solution to the problem by boycotting and avoiding the purchase of the products. The students of Unity could create a social media of awareness or a video on stopping hunting to save the animals. That is very, very vital. We should be able to do that. Hunters think and that is it, folks. Hopefully you like it and have a good day.